In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert image to CMYK for printing in Photoshop. If you're preparing artwork or photos for professional printing, converting to CMYK is an essential step. Printers use cyan, magenta, yellow, and black inks, which means colors need to be mapped to that ink-based color space for accurate results on paper. Let's walk through a clean, reliable way to do it so your prints look the way you expect. Start by launching Photoshop and opening the image you want to prepare for print. Use the image file you've already edited and approved in RGB, since most screens and cameras work in that color space. It's a good practice to open the final version you want printed, so you're not converting something that still needs heavy adjustments. Once your image is open and visible on your screen, you're ready to switch color modes. Head to the top menu and go to Image, then Mode, and choose CMYK Color. When you click CMYK Color, Photoshop will convert the document from RGB to CMYK using its color management settings. Don't be surprised if you notice a slight shift in saturation or brightness. Certain bright blues, greens, and neon tones can look different because they're outside the printable gamut. This is normal for print workflows. If the shift seems strong, take a moment to compare areas like skies, skin, or brand colors, and consider whether subtle, post-conversion tweaks might help maintain the intent of the image. Converting at this stage ensures you're seeing a preview that's much closer to what the printer can reproduce on paper. With your image now in CMYK, it's time to save a print-ready file. Go to File and choose Save As. Pick the format that best matches your printer's specifications. TIFF is a great choice for high-quality, widely accepted print files and preserves excellent image fidelity. PSD is ideal if you need to keep layers intact for future edits or collaboration while still maintaining CMYK. PDF can be useful if your printer prefers a single, portable file that's easy to handle in pre-press. Be sure to match whatever your print provider recommends, as their workflow may call for a specific format or settings. And that's it. You opened your image, converted it to CMYK using Image, Mode, CMYK Color, and saved it in a print-friendly format suited to your printer's needs. Following these steps helps you hand off files with confidence and avoid unexpected color surprises on press.